The OnePlus 10T is almost as easy to bend in half as the OnePlus 10 Pro before it, a new test has suggested. Back in February, it was demonstrated that the then new OnePlus 10 Pro was alarmingly easy to bend the phone in half in your hands. Now the company's latest flagship phone, the OnePlus 10T, has fallen foul of the exact same durability test. Once again, phone torturer par excellence JerryRigEverything is the source of the durability test. And once again, the OnePlus 10T caved in alarmingly quickly during the bend test, with the frame cracking in two with relatively light pressure. It does seem to take slightly longer than the 10 Pro to reach this failure point, perhaps thanks to the presence of extra rail material. As soon as the tester flips the phone over and attempts to fold it inwards towards the screen, however, it makes like a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. The failure point, just below the camera module and on top of the battery, seems very similar indeed to the OnePlus 10 Pro. Naturally, no phone would come under even this level of pressure in normal circumstances. But the point is that the vast majority of flagship phones will stand up to such basic pressure, which tends to bode well for their ultimate durability. The bend test also confirmed that the cheaper OnePlus 10T had switched to a plastic frame, explaining the disappearance of the OnePlus 10 Pro's antenna lines. We awarded the OnePlus 10T 4 stars in our review, praising its performance, fast charging, and screen, but bemoaning its substandard camera.